Friends, welcome to Raja's Creativity. Today we will tell about leaf part 2. But before that, please, thanks for 100 subscribers. Please encourage me and let's start with our concept. Today I will tell leaf part 2. In previous episode, I told root system and shoot system. If you don't see in the video, links are given below the video. So if you want to see that, please click the video and see that, so you can get a better grip at this video. So in this video we will tell about the structure, the functions of leaf. So these are the structures of leaf. So this white part is called the lamina, and this leaf apex, leaf margin, veins, midrib, axillary bud. So what is the top of our body? We can tell that is our head or hair. Similarly, the leaf has top called leaf apex. This is the ending point of a leaf. And like our skin covers body, similarly lamina covers the whole leaf, and leaf margin. For example, when we take a human and make it give it structure, you can tell that it can see leaf margin. Means, let's see, this the margin of the finger, like this leaf has this margin. Midrib means before you need to learn about veins. Veins connect to cells called chloroplasts, like our veins in our body, but they act differently. They capture energy and give for the nourishment of the plant. And midrib connects all the veins and give it to the stem. And axillary bud. This axillary bud is tend to grow to new flowers or new leaves. And let's see the different parts around the leaf, which is necessary for leaf formations. So the stem upper parts are called internodes, and the part where the node and the part where leaf comes is called the node, and the part where leaf comes out is called apical bud. And you learn that boryphilium has buds on its flower, on its leaf edges. So let's see why this happened. You can learn this in previous classes. So this is the structure of boryphilium, one leaf, and you can see that these cone-like structures, these are called buds of this. Like seeds, they germinate into a plant. Similarly, if they are too heavy to fall down, they can grow into a new plant. And their structure also helps them to keep them in place until they fall out. And let's see, the functions of leaf are given here. The functions of leaves are important part of a plant. They perform various functions, but the two main functions are photosynthesis and transpiration. Photosynthesis you know, but do you know what is the meaning of photosynthesis? If you don't know, please see. Photo means light. Synthesis means keeping together. Simply, photosynthesis means putting together with So let's see this structure. So we can see that, and in textbooks you can clearly observe that. So midrib petiole continues into the lamina as the rib. It laterally gives out fine branches called veins. So as I told before, this starts from this part called petiole. Petiole comes from, see, these nodes form just like the stem's upper part is called internode. Similarly, the node's upper part is called petiole. The leaves which have petioles for growth are called normal leaves, and the leaves which do not have a petiole is called sessile leaves. Okay, let's see other parts of leaves. Lamina, the green and flat border of the leaf, is called lamina or leaf blade. As I told you, it covers the whole body of the leaf like our skin, and this is the broad and flat part. So there are two types of leaves, simple and compound. In a simple leaf, the lamina is undivided and is a single piece. Marginal inclusions, if present, do not reach up to the midrib or petiole. So this means, and see, let's see this. Let's consider this is a leaf. Do you know what leaves looks like? But for understanding, we will tell like this. So some leaves you can see like this, and you can see that the lamina are not separated. These are called simple leaves. But compound leaves is divided like the one Borophyllum. See, in the middle it has separated. So on the different shapes of leaves. For example, banana's shape is oblong, and you have seen lotus. Yes. So this is the round part, and let's see arrangement. Alternate means like this, and opposite means they are not arranged in a special arrangement. And rolled means you can see bamboo leaves, like that, and they are venation of leaves. Arrangements of leaves in a vanilla is called venation. See these veins, this is the arrangement, is called venation. Reticulate have venation, and venlets are regularly disturbed in the lamina, forming a network. Let's take peepal leaf. So you can see some dots. These are called venlets. They help for the further growth of the separate plant or a separate leaf. Or next, parallel limation. The veins run from one place to another of the leaf and not join at each other, like this banana. Let's zoom in and see the structure. So you can see that they have not even reached each other. So this is called parallel limation. So ever heard about insectivorous plants? I think you don't, because you can also see in previous classes, but there you can't get it. So insectivorous carnivorous plants such as pitcher plant, Venus flytrap, bladderwort. You can see, and I will show you later in the video. So let's see pitcher plant. This is a sac filled with glue of honey nectar, which can attract insects. When it goes inside, it can be trapped inside. So after it traps, it digests it and use it for nutrition. But some let's see fact. The interesting fact is some pitcher plants go bigger than normal. So they are so big that they can eat several mouses and frogs also. And let's see about transpiration. Transpiration is the process by which water is lost in the form of water vapor by evaporation from the surface of leaves and other aerial parts of the plant. So you all know that flowers, leaves, buds, stems all have water, and even the cells also have water in it. So you know that they expose it to sun for quite a long time. So you know the process of evaporation, and transpiration is the result of evaporating water of leaf plants. So you can demonstrate this with an activity. Put a plastic bag around this plant like this. So after some time, you can notice that a small drops. This is due to the evaporation, and without leaves you cannot do that. So see friends, like this, if there is no leaves, transpiration cannot be possible, because the most water is in the leaves. So they need two essential products like carbon dioxide, water and sunlight to, as I tell you, photosynthesis means putting together. Let's see, this is water and carbon dioxide. Let's see, the light is coming like sunlight. For examples, by lighting they can use energy to bond these two and release in chemical reaction. The first one is oxygen and second one is glucose. Glucose is help for the nourishment. Extra glucose is produced stored in the starch. So here oxygen is released into the atmosphere, which we can breathe. In an interesting fact, do you know the 80% of the oxygen we got now is come from coral leaves, which is about 0.1% of the entire ocean surface? It's very interesting, no? And it can support 25% of the life in the sea. And modifications of leaf tendrils can come in different forms. So sweet pea and spines to reduce transpiration, and onions have several layers. You can see here. So friends, from now the chapter is completed. So do you have any doubts? Put in the comment section below. And you want to see part 1, root system and shoot system of leaf, lesson 1, please see in the link in description below. You will need to like, share to that video, and if you see that video, please, I can request you to see this video so you can clearly understand leaf part 2 very, very quickly. So please
Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Please like and share. Thank you friends, and thanks for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.